Hello and welcome to the Emberly tutorial series. I will be your host today. My name is Leif and I am a developer of Emberly. So what is Emberly then? Emberly is a rather new application that lets you organize your thoughts, ideas, notes, bookmarks, files, anything really into an intuitive mind map. So without further ado, let's get into it. The view you're looking at right now is the view that will open the first time you are looking at our application, and we are calling it the dashboard view. Here you can see your maps listed in a grid. These maps can be filtered by searching, or they can be sorted by last opened or last edited. Clicking any of these tiles will open the map, and each tile also has a drop-down menu that can be used to manipulate it. If you look further to the left, you can select several different dashboard views. This one is called All Maps. The next one up is Favorites, and it contains maps I have marked as favorite. The next one contains maps that I have been invited to collaborate on. And finally, there's the trash folder, and these maps will be deleted within a few days if I don't restore them. Below the dashboard selection buttons, you will find a settings button, and clicking on that will open a settings menu. The first screen here is the account settings page, and here you can delete your account or change your email or reset your password. But what we will be looking at right now is called the app settings menu, and here we can change stuff like the application theme between light and dark mode. You can change how you want to navigate the map. You can navigate using mouse dragging, or you can navigate using touchpad gestures. Finally, there is an option we called open to last visited, and a lot of people like that Emberly opens to the map they last used, but personally I prefer that it opens to the dashboard, so I will keep it here. If you look at the top right corner of the screen, you will see 3 buttons. The first one opens the inbox, which is a quick dumping ground for bookmarks. The next one opens the invites and notifications panel. If you are invited to collaborate on a map, the invite will show up here and as an email. The final button opens a panel containing several options. The first one is a button that opens the settings panel. The next one opens a set of tutorials. The next 2 buttons is a quick option for switching navigation modes, and for switching open to last visited mode. Finally, there's a button to log out of the application. Directly beneath these buttons, there is a button to create a new map. We will go through this in the next tutorial. Now that we have gone through the basics of the dashboard, it's time to get into the bread and butter of what Emberly is all about. And that is the map. Let's click on this first one right here. Here you see the initial map view with a map to the left and a context card to the right. If you look at the top left corner, you will see a new set of buttons. The first one takes you back to the dashboard. The second one is a drop down that lets you quickly switch between maps. And the last one lets you toggle the favorite state of the map. You can navigate the map by clicking on the topics, and you will see that each topic has its own resource list and also a note field. You can click on a resource to open it. For example, this one. This is a blog post I've been working on for a while. One tip is to click on the full screen button to make the note field larger, and this makes it easier to edit it. So, thank you so much for watching this far. The next video will be about how to build your own map. So I hope you will join me then. and I hope you're having a great day.